Welcome to the iLife T10s product video. I'm excited to introduce you to the iLife T10s, your ultimate robotic cleaning companion. Let's dive into the demonstration of the iLife T10s robotic vacuum and mopping system. Let's unbox and explore what's included in the package. A self-empty docking station for hands-free continuous cleaning of up to 60 days. Mopping cloth with an attached base for efficient mopping. Dust bags for extended usage. 2 pair of side brushes to ensure thorough cleaning of even the corners in the room. 2 sponge filters and 2 HEPA filters for superior air filtration. A convenient cleaning tool for easy maintenance. iLife T10s can only vacuum or only mop, or vacuum and mop at the same time. Here is the 2-in-1 dust and water tank for seamless cleaning. And of course, a user manual to guide you through setup and operation. For mopping functionality, open the lid of the water tank and fill it with tap water. Avoid using any disinfectants. Attach the mopping cloth securely for efficient mopping. Now, let's power on the iLife T10s and discover its advanced features. Here is the power button for easy control and the home button to send the robot back to its docking station manually. Advanced LDS radar navigation. The T10s comes with its advanced LDS radar navigation. It scans the room 360 degrees at lightning speed, mapping out the most efficient cleaning route without missing a single spot. Once this is done, you can use the iLife T10s to make specified tasks according to your wish. You can mark no-go zones and build invisible walls. You can draw visual boundaries on the map of your home so the T10s know where not to go. So you don't have to worry about bumping into any of your fragile items. Multi-floor mapping scans and save up to 5 maps. It can map up to 5 levels in your home. Yup, you heard me right. With the iLife Cleaning app, you can set preferences for every room from suction power to cleaning schedules. You can also change the suction or water levels and set how many times, 1 or 2, each room needs to be vacuumed or mopped. It's like having a custom cleaning plan for your entire home. Simultaneous vacuum and mop. The iLife T10s can effortlessly vacuum and mop your floors simultaneously. Its ingenious hybrid tank design ensures thorough cleaning of your floors, leaving no dirt behind. This versatile feature also allows you to customize your cleaning routine and choose only vacuum or only mopping or both at the same time. Self-emptying station. The T10s come along with a self-emptying station. The T10s can empty itself in just 20 seconds without clogging. It can continuously clean and empty itself for up to 60 days. With the T10s, you can forget about emptying the dustbin every single day. Its self-emptying station empties the robot and keeps it running for a long time. Voice assistants. You can also control it using your favorite voice assistants like Google Home or Amazon Alexa. You can control it from absolutely anywhere or simply tell it to start cleaning. It's really simple. Suction power. The T10s sucks up to dirt, dust, and even pet hairs from carpet and floors. Its suction power is ultra strong. It's also really intelligent that when it detects carpets, it automatically boosts the suction power for a deep clean. Anti-collision sensors. With anti-collision sensors built into the iLife T10s, you don't have to worry about bumping into any of your precious furniture or products in your house. You even don't have to worry about it falling down from the second floor because the sensors make it anti-drop. Long run time. The T10s has a big built-in battery and does not get tired easily. It can clean an area of up to 2000 square feet at a time. Whenever it needs to recharge, it will automatically return to its base for an auto recharge, ready for cleaning whenever needed. After recharge, it will start cleaning from the place it stopped. Just absolutely amazing. Why cleaning path? Its unique Y cleaning path ensures it covers every inch of your home, leaving no corner untouched. Your house will be cleaned amazingly every time your cleaning buddy gets to work. Maintenance. Maintenance is key to keeping your iLife T10s in top condition. Let's start with dust tank. Open the 2-in-1 dust and water tank to reveal the primarily filter, which is washable for reusable convenience. Remember to dry the primary filter thoroughly before reinserting. Tap the sponge filter and HEPA filter gently to clean them weekly for optimal performance. The HEPA filter can be replaced after 5 to 6 months of use. Utilize the provided cleaning tool to maintain the dust tank for pristine cleaning results. Ensure smooth operation by checking and cleaning the clip sensors regularly for uninterrupted navigation, wiping the charging pins to remove any dust buildup, inspecting and cleaning the side brushes to prevent hair tangling, keeping the nose wheel and roll brush clean and dry for optimal performance, properly replacing the dust bag for efficient dust collection after it's full. iLife Clean. Now let's connect your iLife T10S to the iLife Clean app for enhanced control and convenience. Download and install the iLife Clean from your app store. Sign up using your email ID and follow the verification process. Connect your iLife T10S to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for seamless integration. Now, let's power on the iLife T10S, view and control cleaning sessions with ease. Create no-go zones and customize cleaning preferences for each room. Schedule a cleaning sessions at your convenience. Choose which room to be cleaned. Connect to the voice control options like Google Home or Amazon Alexa. Receive notifications for timely replacements. Access firmware updates for continuous improvement and more. Thank you for seeing this video. To discover the iLife T10S robotic vacuum and mopping system, you can say goodbye to the endless cleaning and take care of your other important work with iLife T10S. It will be an amazing cleaning buddy.